large storage projects for the grid or for solar projects, this is the deed of the hour here at the Intersolar. But the planning and the installing is much more complicated than it is said. Now we learn how important is a strong and reliable partner. Mr. Hierholzer from Rolls-Royce, thank you for being here, being invited. Big batteries, real big batteries. How is the market developing? What do you think?
The market is developing great, I must say. So we really see a strong growth trajectory, double-digit growth for the next years to come, with even energy storage capacity reaching 350 gigawatt hours in terms of capacity, annual installed capacity in 2030. So quite promising.
Mm-hmm. And what are the technological trends? Where does the journey goes to?
Well, for this decade, I would say we really see lithium-ion storage as dominating storage technology for these areas. We see a clear shift, though, from NMC technology or chemistry towards LFP technology.
And what's the reason for that?
Predominantly pricing factors, so LFP is slightly cheaper than NMC, but then also further advancements now with LFP technology and an added safety feature.
Uh-huh. And what kind of storage systems do you offer in this business?
We really offer a wide variety. So as you see, we brought it all today. So we have, starting with the smallest
it's models
units.
Because they're too big
exactly,
to get into the hall, yeah, right.
So this realistically is a 10-foot container.
Ah,
so
that's fine.
Yeah, still quite significant though. Reaching up to 625 kilowatt hours in capacity. It's small, really compact, and can be relocated. Then on the other side here we have our slightly larger unit, the Energy Pack QL, a 40-foot shipping container, walk-in possibility really for harsh environments so that the technicians can go inside. And then of course here on the table illustrated and over there, a really large-scale utility solution, our MTU Energy Pack QG, where we can really scale up to the gigawatt hours.
So it's a larger commercial and utility. It's both, so you can expand.
Yes, I think that's the advantage that we bring as a company. We have for industrial customers, smaller or mid-size products, and then of course for the utilities, a large-scale product, or a solution, I must say, that scales up to whatever the customer requires.
In which segments of the market the demand is highest? Is it grid-connected, utility scale, or more commercial applications?
It's really, and that's the beauty, it's both, and that's why we play in both. So on the industrial side, we really see a lot of customers seeking energy independence, trying to lower their cost of electricity, lower emissions. On the utility side, it's utilities that continue to integrate at a rapid rate renewables, for which you need the battery, of course, to balance that, as well as grid services, so frequency regulation, frequency response, and such.
And that's all included in one system.
Correct.
So one system fits all and is expandable according to the wishes of your customers.
It's really a turnkey, customizable solution. So we talk with the utility, what are the requirements technologically, but also on site, what needs to be integrated, what capacity do I need, and then we really do everything from end to end.
Rolls-Royce, everybody knows in the world, one could say. So what are the main markets for you at the moment?
Main markets at the moment, the EMEA region, so Europe, Middle East, Africa. We also have some exposure towards Asia. At the moment, we're not too focused on China due to price competition.
Yeah, they make their business themselves, right?
Correct,
closed China.
But then also strong focus now for the next months on the US market, since it's the largest microgrid and also battery energy storage market globally.
Rolls-Royce, you know, the brand, so everybody's expecting high value and reliability. So what do you offer especially for your customers, which is Rolls-Royce?
I believe our strength is really, we are a one-stop shop to our customers, a solution provider. So we are there for the customer right from the get-go, doing the consulting, doing the simulation of a project, and then really delivering that turnkey to the customer. And then after that is done, we're not leaving the customer alone, but we are there holistically with a holistic service approach and concept for many years to come.
So it's over the whole lifetime of the project?
Correct.
So it's 20, 30, 40 years?
That's our ambition.
So thank you very much. I hope you have a good success here at the Intersolar and the ES Europe. Many contacts with new customers. And if you want to know more about it and about the big storage solutions of Rolls-Royce, then please refer to the website.